Hey there, YouTube viewers! Have you ever double-clicked on a file only to realize it opens with the wrong app? It can be frustrating, right? Well, worry no more. With the Windows 11's default app restoration feature, you can easily reset file associations to their original settings, ensuring that your files open with the appropriate applications every time. We'll be showing you how to restore default apps for file types. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how to reset all default apps to Microsoft recommended app defaults. Right-click the Start button, then click on Settings. Click on Apps on the left side. Click on Default Apps on the right side. Click on the Reset button for Reset all default apps on the right side. Click on OK to confirm. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful in resolving your Windows 11 file association issues. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.